Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Oppo K13 5G so nothing interrupts setup. Charge to at least 50% and insert your SIM and micro SD card. This avoids delays when activating cellular or moving media. Once done, power on and follow the basic prompts, then connect to Wi-Fi so updates download fast. Make sure to sign in with your Google/Oppo account and enable a quick backup. That keeps contacts, photos, and app data safe while you continue configuring the phone. Now you move into deeper configuration to optimize performance and security. Start by installing system and security updates. These fix bugs and improve 5G stability. Next, customize display and navigation. Choose 120Hz for smoothness or 60Hz for battery savings, and enable dark mode to reduce eye strain. Configure gestures or traditional navigation buttons, then set up biometrics, fingerprint and face unlock, so you unlock faster, and finish by tailoring battery, camera, and connectivity so the phone behaves how you want. Tweak battery saver and background app limits to extend screen time, and manage auto-start apps to prevent unwanted battery drain. Open the camera app and set resolution options. Use 50MP or Pro mode when you need detail, and enable stabilization for steady video. If you run into persistent problems like no network or frequent crashes, reset network settings first. If that fails, back up and perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.